my testimony about this program is I really enjoy this program. This is actually the first English course I have took. So before this, I never joined any course, any English course before. So I think it is a very right decision I took, and I took this program. The first day start uh, as the same day with my birthday, so I think it is
Oh.
that I wanna make. So this 26 years old, not really waste, really waste. So I think this program is really helpful for me so I can improve my speaking skills. Because before joining this program, it is really hard for me to find a speaking partner
Yes.
to, yes, because one of section tests in IELTS is speaking, and we have to practice every day so we can speak fluently. And I think this program is really matched with my personality, and also the way you teach us. You teach us very well. The way you keep the class alive with your jokes and anything. And you make this class alive with your own way, and that's very helpful for us. The way you teach us, the way you patient when you hear our or anything, I think it's good. And I hope we can meet in another occasion, Miss.
Yes. Yes,
Thank you.
I do hope so. All right. Thank you so much, Miss Fatia, for your feedback.